is my cat.
I see the head.
He's cute, right? Yeah, I know he's cute. He's being a little fussy with me right now. Shush. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, I have a dog. They kind of get along, except my dog tries to massacre the cat. Mom, can I video camera you? Can I video camera you?
No.
Well, this is my cat again. See? His name is Ashes. He's I'm kinda trying to do it like Sparta, the series of Sparta. But so far it hasn't worked that well. He's a pretty good cat. He still likes to play with other cats, even though he's not a kitten anymore. So stop it. So yeah, he's trying to kick the screen. Yeah, he does not like to be held. So, well, here's my cat. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Have you ever gotten mad at a cute face like that? Look at it. Yeah, you can look. Dog. Yeah, like I said, I have a dog. His name is Sammy. Gotta get close up. I'll be back in a little bit. Yeah, like I said, I don't like the Braves. I like the Brewers. I'm a Brewers fan. See, come. See, there's the dog right there. That's Sammy. She is a black lab. And chocolate cherry. And what else is she? I said chocolate cherry and black lab. Yellow lab. And that's about it. That's the kitchen. Yeah, that's the printer. We have a Dell computer. Trying to show you a pretty good picture of it. See, Dell. This is one of my favorite writings. It says Ichigo Kurosaki in Japanese. I like wolves. And another thing to prove that this computer is a Dell is that logo. Just can't be shining. See? So that's about it for this time. Bye. And please leave comments of these movies or I want comments on this. So, and also the person who made the Sparta ones, mean kitty things, you do run like a girl. So you just don't move your butt like Stephanie does.